They told us about 9:15 came in and told us that as of March 1st, they're going to stop producing the Chevrolet Cruze. It was difficult. It's like you get punched in the gut, you know, and you lose that breath of air, like. And they just felt, I think, very concerned. This is just the end of what has been a couple-year-long process. In January of 17, we lost third shift. Actually, the day President Trump was inaugurated was the last day of our third shift. And then June 22nd of this year, they announced our second shift closing. It was also the same day GM announced that they would build the Chevy Blazer in Mexico. So that was a pretty tough pill to swallow there. And then again, you know, obviously Monday we got this information. So this has been over the last couple of years. We've got, you know, probably 4,800 of our members ended up being impacted by this. I have a member who, you know, has been pretty adamant about that he voted for President Trump, and it now feels like, you know, those promises were made and those promises were broken. There's a beacon of hope. This isn't a plant closure, right? This is no allocation, so we're hopeful that there is some allocation in the pipeline, whether that's an SUV or an electric car or a combination. So any type of product that we get, any work that the General Motors wants to give us, we've shown our dedication, our ability to step up to the plate and get it done. And so we don't want a handout here. We just want to work.